Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Dalam Sorkar kadai kan Sngewthuh. Balada ginoi kai barok poi surok di classroom berfai laksak dekat. Denam deh. De namar kata nan sara akan digasut di
MLA jeng Amausan Ram konstituensi ba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang hakasngi balangkar potrik unai dong arajar puar ulale jingo ban aimin sia mikino hikai school SSA ki brangyai beteng ban penlong ye jinga ki ke bajai ba klemput sngi ha parking lot ke badan hajan ke office additional secretariat Shillong hadian baka Sorkar kam shimla pelak cetiai ke Tulop ke pesan Bnai nadu urempang Haduh ujilio mentau senem arajar puar. Hakji yang kedua ia kinoi lam jaka Meghalaya SSA School Association bat ia kinoi kai school ki basa amiat akan jaka uba Shangpliang ulak-ular ba un sakren yang ni jing e jongki kumba ujukren nakapor sakapor yang jing e jong kinoi kai school hapo ka yang dorbar thawan haba keren sikila patai ke bor ba Shangpliang lapan pauru ik jing skol ngo halor ke jing skap menti jong Sorkar jela bat bu jing keliru ba Balei ke Sorkar kamla ban siau ya ke Tulop jong kinoi kai school SSA mentalasan Bnai kinti kat Haduh bakal kata Haduh kata ta ya kini kai.
All the best to you. De mentasi ngalapoi hakani ka Jaka Ahmad ka sekretariat ke Bangawan ban I'm Simlem ya kini ginohi kai SSA baro. Kani galong kasin ke Baar ke Bangawan ban yuk cat hakani keju ke Jaka. Aba mencua kiwan ki nohi kai jong ka ad hoc de ki nohi kai ad hoc ru ki la shoh kan ke ju jaka bat ki labu ki jing dawa la da ki tayo menta biang yo i ki nohi kai SSA ki wan ki shoh kan ke ju jaka ban raise yang ka problem jong ki shaga Sorkar ka problem jong ki nohi kai kam dei ka batmai kam tam jong ki SSA teachers menta ki labu ki jing dawa la slemba badai ban siu ya ka Tulop jong ki regularly nang ta menta kumbangi oso ngriu Bnai kimpat yo ya ka Tulop jong ki mano bala ban penya ya ka yeng ka sem klem don kanono ka jing siu la ne klem don ya ka Tulop ngamla ban Sngewthuh nakalian ka Sorkar ke ka daw baka ngap man bat Balei ka kam a ya kata ke Tulop ya kini lang Bnai ka jingkeli matasi kalong chano ka ja ka pisa ka badai hok ya kini ki SSA teachers ka Sorkar ka deban pensyai Ahmad kini ginohi kai baro bat Haduh menta ka Sorkar kampat khot ya kini ki leaders ban yakren ban penbet ngam kwa ban i ginohi kai baro kim supoi hasurok bat ban khang khardap ya ki school we cannot close down the schools and allow the teachers to come in the streets like this every time. The government should take responsibility of the downfall of education in the state. If for a lot of weeks we saw ad hoc teachers on the street, that means ad hoc schools were closed. Now again we see SSA teachers on the road. That means SSA schools are also closed.
Hello, Marcus.
So how long are we going to tolerate? How long are we going to tolerate this? It has affected kalakta ya kapule puti jong ki khon jongi kim yo shu ya ka jingnang jing start ki khon jongi kim yo shu ban school ar snem shwa ngila yo ya ka jing saja bom yo ban school namar menta covid manta mandala pli ke school hab khang biang namar baki strike ino hikai. Who is responsible for this? It is the government who is responsible for this. The government should come and talk to these teachers and release their pending salaries and also enhance whatever salary that they are requiring and try to sort out their problem, lessen the problems of the teachers. Kampunduna yiki e jong ino hikai. Balei ba shusnap man kumni. Kei gadao. Where is the money that the central government has given? Where is the state share that is to be given? Why can't the government just come up with something? I want to see that these teachers go back to their respective schools. I urge upon the government that the government should send back these teachers back to the schools and release their salary so that our education improves in the state. We cannot allow this regular feature of teachers coming on the road. I urge upon the Education Minister that the Education Minister should immediately call the leaders of the SSA Association and sort out this matter within this week. We will not tolerate to see teachers every time coming on the road like this. Higalong umne. Man badon ka assembly. Ngalong ubanung kong UMLA ban raise ki issues yung kinohikay. Ya ka kam jong ke SSA ngalabam lendet. Uba Aristotle rembai uba day presiden ujung ay nga yaki details pangadi ban kren hapo assembly. Ngam jumis man ka assembly mga kren pang ki SSA. Ka juba pangayo na education minister ba uyeng ban juba wong matter is under examination. Now kata ka kentin matter is under examination kalayat menta baro sausnen. Nadu hajar khatpra. Nadu hajar khatpra nga raise kita issue matter under examination. Haduh kene ka khidmat. Ka assembly ka bak haduh kan long hau Bnai September Oktober. Te hang taru. Nan sayo Sngewthuh kata ka ju jibab matter under examination. Kale iu ken kene ke Sorkar. Balei kene ke Sorkar ka sngap man. Balei kan pensyai sikinohikai ke ka jing e ka Sorkar. Lada ong ngom dan pisah to batai ken ngom dan pisah. Lada om la ban siu tulop to ong ken la ban siu tulop tengin khang no ki school. Kinohikai kim dei bakin shem jenjar kum ne kin. Menda gini kinohikai baro ki shong hak jingdum. Ka Sorkar kan ain kan snap ne kam snap. That is the problem.